Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about representation of rational numbers on the number line. You've learned to represent natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers on a number line. Let us revise them. Natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The line extends indefinitely only to the right side of 1 in this direction. Number 2 is whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The line extends indefinitely to the right apart from 0. There are no numbers to the left of 0. Integers, that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The line extends indefinitely on both sides. Do you see any number between minus 1 and 0? 0 and 1? The answer is no. Rational numbers. Here it is 0, 1 by 2, 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. The line extends indefinitely on both sides, but you can now see numbers between minus 1 and 0, 0 and 1. Now 5 is like that. This 0 and between 0 and 1, it can divide into 3 parts. It is 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3, it is 3 by 3, that is 1. The point on the number line 4, which is halfway between 0 and 1, has been labeled as 1 by 2. Also, the first of the equally spaced points that divides the distance between 0 and 1 into 3 parts, equal part, this one, can be labeled as 1 by 3, as on number line 5. How would you label the second of these division points on the number line? The point to be labeled is twice as far from and to the right of 0 as the point labeled 1 by 3. So it is 2 times 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. You can continue to label equally spaced points on the number line in the same way. The next marking is 1. You can see that 1 is same as 3 by 3. Then comes 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3 or 7 by 3. Here you see that is 0 by 3, this is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, that is 2, 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3, that is 3. Similarly, to represent 1 by 8, the number line may be divided into 8 equal parts. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? And this can be labeled as this as 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, that is equal to 1. Here also you see that is 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, it can be labeled as 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9, and 9 by 9, that is 1. Here also you can see that is if it is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is 0. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, and minus 8 by 4, that is minus 2. That is minus 2. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. In this way, you can represent the various rational numbers. Right? Here's the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Can you tell the natural numbers between 1 and 5? They are 2, 3, and 4. How many natural numbers are there between 7 and 9? There is 1 and it is 8. How many natural numbers are there between 10 and 11? Obviously, none. List the integers that lie between minus 5 and 4. They are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. How many integers are there between minus 1 and 0? How many integers are there between minus 9 and minus 10? You will find a definite number of natural numbers, integers, between two natural numbers or integers. How many rational numbers are there between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? You have thought they are only 4 by 10, 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. But you can also write 3 by 10 as 30 by 100 and 7 by 10 as 70 by 100. Now the numbers are 31 by 100, 32 by 100, 33 by 100, 68 by 100, 69 by 100. All are lie between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. The numbers of these rational numbers is 39. And also 3 by 10 can be expressed as 3000 by 10,000 and 7 by 10 as 7,000 by 10,000. Now you see that the numbers, rational numbers are 3001 by 10,000, 3002 by 10,000, like this. 6999 by 10,000 are between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. These are 3999 numbers in all. In this way, we can go on inserting more and more rational numbers between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. So, unlike natural numbers and integers, the number of rational numbers between two rational numbers is not definite. Here, one example. How many rational numbers are there between minus 1 by 10 and 3 by 10? Obviously, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10 are the rational numbers between the given numbers. If we write minus 1 by 10 as minus 10,000 by 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 3 by 10 as 30,000 by 100,000, we get the rational numbers this. You will find that you get countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. You have to remember this one. You will get countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. For example, write three rational numbers between minus 2 and 10, minus 2 and 0. Minus 2 can be written as minus 20 by 10 and 0 can be written as 0 by 10. Therefore, they are minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10, minus 1 by 10 between minus 2 and 0. Find any 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. We first convert minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8 to rational numbers with the same denominators. That is multiply by 4, minus 20 by 24 and this is 15 by 24. Therefore, the numbers are minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24 like this. Another method. Let us find rational numbers between 1 and 2. One of them is 1.5. This is the mean of 1 by 1 and 2. If we studied in class 7, we find that between any two given numbers, we need not necessarily get an integer, but there will always lie a rational number. You can use the idea of mean also to find rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Find rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. That is, you are getting the value of 3 by 8. We find that 3 by 8 is between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2 is a rational number between a and b such that a by 2 is between a and b. This again shows that there are countless number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Find three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. We find the mean, right? That is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 2, we are getting 5 by 16. Right? Again, that is 5 by 16 and 3 by 8 between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now find the mean of 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. We are getting 7 by 16. Therefore, 5 by 16, 3 by 8, 7 by 16 are between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Thus, we see that these are the three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. This can clearly shown on the number line as follows. In the same way, we can obtain as many rational numbers as we want between two given rational numbers. You have noticed that there are countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. You can find countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.